CNC router, laser engraver, laser cutter, pen plotter, cutter plotter, CNC milling.
This is our first teaser presenting E-Mastertool CNC machine.
Please subscribe, give us a like, and ring the bell.
To subscribe, please give us a like and ring the bell.
This is the first short video presenting our CNC machine, called E-Mastertool. We'll launch every week a now short video with a new item processed with E-Mastertool, in different configurations for tools and devices, or a new teaser. You'll watch it milling, carving, laser engraving and cutting, drawing and so on. On 1st of May will be the E-Mastertool Day. We'll launch the first part of the official presentation of E-Mastertool. Be prepared to put your orders and you'll benefit for the very first orders of a Platinum Card member with important discounts and gifts.